Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the Xiaomi Mijia universal remote controller, which you can use to automate all devices that use infrared remote control and add them to your Xiaomi ecosystem. So let's have a look. Available on AliExpress and from other online sellers from around $15 US. This device comes with instruction manual in Chinese and a USB cable for supplying power. Mind you that there is no power adapter, so you will need to use your own or connect it to a device which can supply enough power to it. So let's have a look at the installation process. Of course, run Mi Home and power up the device by connecting it to the power, and Mi Home should find it automatically. As with all Mijia devices, once the setup is complete, you will be prompted to name it and select the room it is located in. And now you can start adding your child to infrared devices. You can either try to add the device by brand or you can duplicate the device's button. So let's see if it recognizes my Samsung TV. By pressing power button and answering if the command works, then followed by volume up and volume down buttons on the TV, it will add your TV to the app. Now you should be able not only to control the TV from your Mi Home app, but also use it in automations with other Mi Home devices by selecting which button to trigger on certain events. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.